Tuesday marks day 2 back in the Statehouse since the legislature recessed in May, and day 310 of the 2021 legislative session. Lawmakers with a full agenda today, introducing bills, hearing public testimony, then debating on the floor. Thanks for joining us. I'm Don Nelson. Lawmakers introducing a number of bills in committee this morning for the House to consider. Republican Representative Jason Monk's of Meridian opening debate this afternoon for House Bill 417, which would require employers who mandate vaccines to compensate employees who experience vaccine-related injuries. Monk says the bill will help employees file claims for compensation. Some Democratic lawmakers voiced their support for this bill, stating it was fair since vaccines have been scientifically proven to be overwhelmingly safe and effective.
And if there's an adverse consequence because of that vaccination, then basic fairness says that employee should be compensated under our workers' compensation system.
The bill passed the House floor 67-3. Many other bills were up for debate this afternoon between lawmakers. Our Nicole Camarda has more from inside the House chambers about some of the different bills.
After gaveling in Tuesday, lawmakers in the House went straight to work, passing multiple bills, starting with House Bill 417 relating to employer compensation for vaccine-related injuries. This bill passed the House 67-3. Then lawmakers moved to House Bill 412, described as a civil rights bill, which would prohibit acts of discrimination based on vaccination status.
I ask that you give the green light to this bill. Again, I'm not following it just because Montana's done it, but because it's working in Montana. And I think it will work in Idaho.
It passed the House 48-22, and this bill would also make it unlawful for employers to refuse employment based on immunity passports or status.
To tell people at every level, including mothers, that they have to hire somebody who's unvaccinated and can't decide, I want a vaccinated babysitter. They can't do that because the Idaho Legislature has told them, no, you have to hire somebody who's unvaccinated, even if you think it's unsafe and even if it's something you don't want to do.
Some members of the public testified in favor of the bill, one a nursing student.
One of my biggest struggles here in this fight is finding out that nursing students, even though we are paying customers, have no leverage. The vax mandate doesn't only affect my schooling, but also where I can get a job.
Back on the floor, lawmakers then moved to House Bill 414 relating to religious exemptions, which passed the House 46-24, but was met with some pushback.
And by attempting to elevate those things to the level of religiosity, you don't elevate them at all. You lower the sacredness of what it means to claim a religious exemption, what it means to have a sincerely held faith.
Representative Ron Nate then opened debate for House Bill 429, which looks to allow exemptions for children in schools when it relates to wearing masks or using plexiglass in classrooms.
In education, facial expression, seeing each other, nonverbal communication is important. And we saw it manifest today. People felt like they needed to project their voice, needed to have facial recognition, and it's just needed for good communication.
Earlier in the day, a student testified against the bill.
Wearing a mask does not hurt us or our social interactions. It's a way we stop the spread of COVID-19, and we would be unsafe going to school without masks.